Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and we are Rupsha Boutique from Kolkata, and today we are going to show you some beautiful collections of boutique sarees, especially on cotton and khadi material. And the specialty of these sarees are we manufacture these sarees, so we can guarantee one thing that all the sarees will be unique in design, and we are giving you assurance on the quality of the product. Definitely you will appreciate our quality. And one more thing, that we only deal with customers that they are in business. If you have a business, in that case definitely you can go ahead and contact us. We only deal with wholesalers. So let's start. Let us see that what special saris Orbita is going to show us today.
No, I am Orpita Banerjee from Rupsha Boutique. First saree. This is on khadi cotton.
Material is khadi cotton and embroidery is there with applique. Color combination is peacock blue, and the applique and embroidery color is golden yellow and white. The borders are pure cotton borders are there. It's a full length sari of 6 meter and 50 centimeter, along with 1 meter of blouse piece.
Full body.
Here's another color. Design will be the same. The only difference is there in color. It's blue and white. In applique and in embroidery, it's all hand embroideries.
This is the blouse piece.
And this one is the blouse piece, full 1 meter blouse piece that we will provide you along with the sari. Hand woven sari.
Price 1250.
Now the wholesale price will be just 1250 rupees, 1250. I repeat, the price of this beautiful sari will be just 1250 rupees. Now this piece will come along with a contrast of beautiful color of maroon and ash. Wow. This one is really unique.
This is the pleat purse.
This part will be the pleat part. Contrast of maroon and ash. Now here comes the fourth one. Wow. And one thing I like to add, you please check the borders. Okay, this one is Jaipuri print border. All the sarees have Jaipuri print borders. very very rare and uncommon color with coffee color broad border and applique. All the borders are Jaipuri print cotton borders along with hand embroidery and applique. Price is just 1250 rupees, and I repeat, it's just for wholesale customers. We just do wholesale. Now this one is blue, yellow and white. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 color options on this particular design. Okay, along with 1 meter blouse piece. All the sarees have a meter blouse piece with them. Now we are moving to the second part, like the second collection, second design we will see. Okay. Now this part is the aanchal part of the sari.
Khadi cotton material.
The base material is khadi cotton, pure 100% khadi cotton. Now let us check the designs. Look, it's katha all over, and the fish design, this part will be on applique. The tail, head and the fins will be on embroidery. That is how the sari will look. Can we let us check the pleat part? Basically in this sari, the water texture, we have tried to give the water texture by hand embroidery. The fish and the water texture, these are the water texture. And this is the blouse piece. These are 100% handloom sarees, so all the sarees will come along with the blouse piece, a 1 meter blouse piece. The full length of the saree will be 6 meter 50 centimeter. Now this one is truly this very elegant, very beautiful color combination. It's gray, deep red and black. Wow. So if you have a boutique, you can always call us. You can give us a call. You can set up an appointment. We will make a video call so that we can show you our latest designs and you can make a choice. So nowadays distance is not the problem. We are located in Calcutta. If you can manage to come down, you are most welcome.
Price is 1550.
The wholesale price will be just 1550. 1550 rupees. 1550. please check this one. Another color. It's rust color. Design will be the same. Fish motif all over. Kantha work. The watermark we have tried to make a water texture by this kantha work. And after all these embroideries, applique and kantha work, best quality handloom sari of cotton khadi handloom sari, the price will be just 1550. So now we will check the another new design we will show you. Another embroidery work with border and embroidery. Wow. Khadi handloom material.
This is your portion.
Yeah, this will come on your portion.
This is Achal.
This part is achal.
This one pleats.
And this will come on pleats.
This is the blouse piece.
Yes, and this will be the blouse piece.
Olive green color.
We have 4 color options for the design. We have 4 color options for the design.
Olive green.
So, olive green color with red and peach flower color combination. Now the third one will be beautiful.
Maroon color.
Maroon color, golden yellow and white combination flower will be there as embroidery. So this all 4 designs what we have shown you in this video, you can go ahead and order, no problem, and you can definitely contact us. We will show you some other designs on some other day, okay, on this channel. If you like this sarees, you can go ahead and subscribe our channel. You can click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification once we upload any video, any further video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Take care.